fear no evil. This IPOB shall fear no evil. Even if the whole world is against us, even if Britain intensifies their effort to cross this very light of hope in sub-Saharan Africa, even though they shake the mountains, even though the seas may rise, even though they may give all the weapons and ammunition to the zoological republic, no matter what they do, no matter how they foment their rage, it doesn't matter to us. For God, Chukwu is in the land of Biafra. We shall never ever be moved. This God of the ancients will help us now and forevermore. For Biafra shall come, and this Lord of haste is with us. Chukwu is the same God of Jacob, this same God of Shadrach and Meshach and Abednego, this God of Abraham and all of his people, this same God. We shall worship thee, for Biafra is your promise. Your word is yea and amen. Instead of your word not to come to pass, government age will cease to exist. Upon this very hope we anchor all our belief that Biafra shall come in our time, and we pray that it come this very year, that your glory will be made manifest in the lives of men, that we may kneel and bow before thee. Your hands so ready to go on supper. May Germany be still at you at the Promianida. Go to Tolina where there is a good song who ran over the neighborhood.
Ise ekene dịrị gị Chineke mbunye bụrụ aha nsọ gị ugbu a ruo mgbe ebighị ebi. Ise. Thank you, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night to some of you. It depends where you are getting our videos from. Please, I welcome men and women. I welcome all goodwill of people. I welcome you all, the people of the lovers of freedoms. I say welcome you all. Today, before we start, please, I want to ask you, many people watch our video, but it doesn't subscribe to our channel. So the more you subscribe to our channel, so that you can help us to improve our channel, so that our channel can go viral, So as you are doing that, it doesn't take you anything, just to press hand on the subscribe button, drop your comment, share our videos, to other platform. As you are doing that, I say may God bless you. Now we move very fast. Today, I want to keep talking to all these guys, all these our brothers who are working together with all these Eastern governors, Eastern politicians, all these Eastern politicians, all these are brothers working with them. I have a vital question for them. Will any one of them told me now, oh, this my senator or this my governor, this is what this man have achieved since he had been in government office? Can you tell me any of your senators? Because I know that many of these senators they have been senators for more than 20 years, 30 years, 20-something years. Many of them, both in all of them, you see them, the only thing they bring to their communities, and the people they say that they are representing out there, they'll say, oh, we are representing you. What I want to begin to ask you people question. Will you people ask these senators, all your leaders who say they are representing you in one office or another, to please show you one achievement, what they have achieved during the time they have been doing all this work? None of them, because of you have allocation you are getting from what they call their central government. You have all this money you are getting from your communities. All this money, where is it going? It's going inside all those men, all your politicians. religious leader, those people who say they are speaking for you, they are not speaking for you. We are the ones speaking for you. Because of if we can be asking all these questions and tell them, prove, that on Adam metopụ nkịta akpụzi ọnanya, so ka ịfọkodo ifo ndị a na m ga-asị gị na ọ bụ ife ha rugoro, ọ bụ ụzọ, ọ bụ ọkụ ka ha nwetara gị, ọ bụ mmiri, gbakene m just one small thing, gbakene m ofu ife. Ọ bụghị seaport ka ị nwere, ọ bụghị international airport ka ị nwere, ọkwa ị ga-elọtakwa na ịlakwa Lagos or ị ga Abuja. All these things bụ ya bụ ife these men, all these guys you call your governors, senators, ndị ohi kwesịrị provide. That is why Hanji will say that we are representing you in all these official offices, in government offices. But now, you as the citizen, you have refused to be bringing these thieves to questions. Now, they have been utilizing the advantage. Now, what did they do? When they steal this money, they come with the system of their master, rule and divide and rule. So now, what they do is now be dividing the communities. How did they divide the community? They will now go and arm some guys. All these are guys that is carrying arms for them, like the other people threatening people in the our mothers and our fathers in the market, asking them that every Monday sit at home. Every Monday, if you sit at home, that you know that you're going to sit at home on Tuesday. I say these guys doing all this job for Sorudo. What are you gaining? Are you normal? If you can sell yourself so cheap to these politicians, the only achievement they bring for you as a youth to your community, then will bring you guns and the bullet. That guns and the bullet for you to be protecting them, the atrocity they are committing against you, against your brothers and sisters. Giving you peanuts, you are carrying gun, talking about. That was one I saw the other day. They say in Oba, a lot of horrible videos that I'm getting in Oba. Those ones are the ones Anaconda called. Then call them in that called. So muna ajunda asina habunda called. So unu no haruru Soludo or unda anini, because all these guys were from Soludo and that called from Soludo. Nkodo hankporo Operation Udogaji, Soludo, AVG, Soludo, Eganimo State, Hope Uzotema, no one side within the course no be bubago, and they would their own people. Use these people to fight your own people, which is what Sheikh Gumi told them. You are using your own people, but if you not do these boys, and they burigesi Ebunye na say God disturb why people go gawa, disturb why your own brothers and sisters. They are fighting for this cause, for this freedom, for you to be free from this hand of Ndo here. You call your politicians, your religious leader, call them your leaders. Ndị na-agba mgba ka isi n'aka ka anapụta gị n'aka ajọ mmụọ, ka anapụta gị n'aka ajọ mmụọ, tinye gị n'ụwa ọma ka ị nọzi na-agba mgba sị go chụwa ndị a nsị na ha bụ agitators. Eburu egbe eburigasi unu na-aga na-agagharị ka atụrụ na-enweghị onye nche. These boys, asị m unu nwekwere nke a na-akpọ common sense, ordinary amamife. Unu agaghị eju these guys. Ị na-ebu egbe ebunye anyị, ị ga-were stop people that is fighting for my own good. So gị nwa na onwego mbunyere m this egbe. What have you achieved for me? What is the achievement? Jukene m those guys nọ na-agagharị n'ime ahịa there na-echi old men and women warning. Otu ahụ ime ahịa ahụ ọ bụ otu in a good society, in their society na-arụ ọrụ? Is that the way ahịa kwesịrị look like? Is that the way a market is supposed to look like? These people are there publishing, you taking your money and be putting in their pocket. You pay your own brothers and sisters to be oppressing you. What about your own youth in your community? All these youth is not the home. Unu si unu na-achọ Biafra Liberation Army. Igbo dike mgbe ife ndị dike ru ka ife ga-emezi. Lee I will not show you people video. There is a lot of videos for you to know. Do those guys. Do you think that what these guys Mackenzie na not upon an eba also before they are not upon not upon your own brothers and sisters in one human feeling? Maazị Nnamdi Kanu nọ na mkpọrọ. Why did they have him in DSS dungeon? Ask me, ke crime Maazị Nnamdi Kanu committed? Ogeji were this kind of Ogeji will deserve what this kind of punishment is going to because of Kebro murder. For you to be somebody in life, for where you come out and say, this is who I am, the world will regard you, people will respect you and welcome you. That is what Maazị Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for. Nothing more, nothing less. For you to be regarded the way other people are regarded as a normal human being. Nothing more, nothing less. That was his crime. It would have been a DSS dungeon. Who are doing this? Are these your governors who carry guns and bullets and give to your youth? Are the one making sure that they want to suppress him? Because of they know that the people have finally find their voice where Maazị Nnamdi Kanu is. For them to suppress that, that is why they make sure that they maintain that he must remain in DSS dungeon. Ndị Igbo emetụrụ n'ife eme ma ọ bụ homo ka agha saka ifere na ka ọgwụ na-echetekwe na Afọnja na-echetekwe maka Ilori Hope Uzodimma Soro Udo, all these Eastern governors nọ na-egbusisi their own people. Let Maazị, please, our leader, ask them this question. Ka ha nzakene m kedu crime our leader committed here? Ke crime ya? Let's ask. Can this Southeast this your governors Maazị Nnamdi Kanu and Maazị Simon Ekpa is fighting for just common cause. For you to be a normal, for you to live life like a normal human being, for you to have facilities. Here and I have stable light, I have good road, I have good hospital, I have everything that a normal human being need to live life like a human being. You have it here in abroad. The same thing we want to implement to you down there in your place. These guys are to Biafra liberation. And the natural kunu natural asimelu megidekwa onye ọbụla nsị na ndụ adịghị mma na ifeọma adịghị mma asị m ifeọma gbakwa ya afọ enu megidekwa onye ọbụla nsị na ọ gaghị adịkwara anyị na mma n'ije a because of n'ije anyị na-aga bụ ije nwere onwe ọ dịrị m mma ọ dịrị gị nwa mma ọ dịrị elu ọkụkọ mma ọ dịrị nwa ọgụnụ mma n'ọbịa bụ ije anyị nothing more nothing less achọrọ ibiri ka mbiri ọ bụghị ya nrụ echi gasị this other person ji ego gị nwee ji what is the problem? No, in this society where I belong to, you can't know who is big man and who is poor man because of what that big man will do. You as a poor man can when the motor like the same motor. Once you are a worker, your governor saying when all provide or if you are not providing guns and bullets, you will make it fight all your flesh and blood. Look at it. Mazen, our leader, ask them this question.
Did I commit any crime? The answer is no. I committed no crime. I am fighting for the freedom of my people as contained in the constitution of the so-called Nigeria. I did no wrong. That was why after 2 years they could not prove any case. Even till now, they're still in court, they cannot prove any case. And people talk as if they are so moronic that an animal is better. They say I insult him, I insult him because he can't reason for me. I did nothing wrong. Calling for the establishment, or should I say the restoration of Biafra, is within provisions of the Constitution of the Nigeria. It is very clear and straightforward. It is there. Go and check it yourself. And you're asking me to be happy.
Because of somebody is asking for common thing. Just let me go with my people. Let us decide the way we want to govern ourselves. Let us decide the way we have to live as a normal human being. please, as you are still watching this video, many of you people watch our videos. After watching the videos, you doesn't subscribe to our channel, you doesn't drop your comment. Please do us well by subscribing to this channel and drop your comment in the comment section, and like our video and share our videos, please. Let's continue going. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is only his crime, just for you to live like a normal human being. Nothing more, nothing less. But all these young youth, sit at home. Tomorrow is Monday. Every Monday, for every one of you, every Monday sit at home. That is our job. We must continue sitting at home. That is a priority. There is nothing to bargain about it because of anybody when saying that you want to stop sit at home. One them mad if you can't stop it. You can't stop what is bigger than you. You can't happen. You can't stop it. If it have been mandated from God. Anybody they go to you can't stop sit at home. These guys who we now carry all these governors. Name all these guys now this their dirty job. Helping your oppressor. And now make oppress more and more. Tomorrow now see if now this governor or make main council. Why no one they may assist in all those crimes? Have you called any of your senator in questions? In case anyone you criticize, what you will do, you send the police, whatever for you, army to come and destroy you. What they bring for you, actually, some boys a gap water, some boys a gap water, Obru Saren, Hebrew Saren, one, haka, Osina window, what the Runiamo for 5 naira, 10 naira, to put a room. And that was Senator Neko, Monkey, Anomana. Senator, only reach in his pocket and his own family, in order now publish in one good road. Something that you can be proud of. You hear on the make doing all these young boys, your flesh and you hear on the make mirror or Joe now Joe our people now every day why are you running away out of the country? Because of another place you can live a good life, do comfortable. The same thing can actually may implement in your place. So Mazi Nnamdi Kanu no prison na language. You think that normal can say live. If Mazi Nnamdi Kanu say today, I'm no more doing Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is outside. If you don't know it, these fools. On all the other language, nobody is talking about him. All these bunch of criminals who will see no politicians and leaders. Look at Mazi Simon Ekpa. What is happening? Kidnapping everywhere, every angle. All coming on now watch the other day. Then I say, "Gini kai get many these people myself. Gini kai get them every day kidnapping. No, Enugu on the express road, kidnapping everywhere." Now land on them mad niyi. Since Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not there, Mazi Simon Ekpa is not there. But look at what is happening. The other day, look at what is happening in Abo. In Delta State, look at what is happening there. All these Awusas Fulani Noiba name if you have like nobody is giving now. These guys do to if you have not chop ke wepu ima ewepurunu dike if you have not chop ka apapu dike n'ụzọ in hata ka wiki. But if I know what happened on this journey of freedom, when there is nothing to talk about it's Biafra. We must. People have died for this cause. Life have been lost. Property. Where are we going to start? So there is nothing. I'm telling everybody, whether you are working for this governor, all these guys, Governor is better for you. The earlier you realize that those guys in your problem, Buruda Tewe. Channel lawyer to what is after you. Got your wife and natural. Chua if and natural. Rap it with an rap this your brothers and sisters. Has again you so Bawahana every Monday you must open your market. Stop it. and kwụsị ịchụgharịsị your own blood, flesh and blood nọ na fighting for this freedom. Stop it. Buru that egbe. The earlier you realize that onye ambunyere gị egbe ọ bụ ma soro udo na ndị otu ọ bụ senator onye ọbụla ọ bụ, is better for you to know that onye abịa bụ your problem. Yanwa be your problem. Obutere the industrialization. Onwe nothing good over there. Go with gun and bullet. Obia before we take it. It's better for you. The earlier you realize this, is more better for you. From me, from here, is good afternoon. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, men and women, for listening to this very video, and people that will watch it later. Please, as you are watching our video, please do us a favor, subscribe to this channel and share our video and drop your comment, and follow us in X, in Twitter handle, follow us in our YouTube and subscribe, please. As you are doing that, I say may God bless you in whatever things you do in this life. I say God bless you and restore you. From me, from here is good afternoon.